Good day, my good peoples, and welcome back to our news. This is FM show. So, today is a bad day for President William Ruto and his dogs in the parliament or in the state house. We all know that President Ruto, he will do anything and everything it takes to defend his political seat come 2027. We have seen claims that even the president has shifted and joined the ODM party, and he has claimed as and reclaimed back the ODM party, saying that he is one of the founders of the political party. So today, Governor from Trans Nzoia County, that is Governor George Natembeya, have decided to kuanguka na President William Ruto. Tunasemanga anguka nao. So Governor is not having any chills with this regime. He has said, we will call a spade, and we will call every dog by its name. He has said that even if President Ruto tries to criticize or do anything to him, that if anything happens to me, hata nikianza kukoa leo, you guys just know that will be President William Ruto behind it. So, Governor George Natembeya has alleged that individuals associated with the president have been trailing him. While expressing concerns for his safety, Natembeya claimed his life was in danger due to the criticism of President William Ruto's administration. However, he maintained that he would not be intimidated into silence, reaffirming his commitment to speaking out against the government's shortcomings. Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya has expressed fears for his safety, claiming his life could be in danger. Natembeya, he said he is certain that unidentified individuals are targeting him due to his continued criticism of the Kenya Kwanza administration. During an interview with Zulu FM on Tuesday, April 15th, Natembeya alleged that individuals connected to President William Ruto have been trailing him. He added that if speaking out against the shortcomings of President William Ruto's administration is wrong, then he should be confronted directly. He emphasized that he would not be intimidated into silence following someone around makes it seem like this country lacks freedom. It's as if anyone who doesn't sing praises to President Ruto is seen as a problem. I wouldn't accept that, he added. I have said that I will keep talking. I know he will send people to come after me. Maybe they will come to kill me. Mr. President, I don't care whether you kill me or not. I will still die. So I am going to speak up, Natembeya stated. He added that he is not one that remains silent in the face of wrongdoings, citing his time as Rift Valley Regional Commissioner. He said he sent people to come up, citing his time as Rift Valley Regional Commissioner. He said he often spoke his mind, and former President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta never harassed him, but instead listened and made adjustments in his leadership. So, the governor subsequently indicated that if the country's leadership fails to show meaningful change, there could be shift in 2027 general elections that might lead to Ruto's regime being voted out of power. If they don't want to listen, that is their problem, Natembeya warned them. This follows Natembeya's recent call for President to reduce his travel and prioritize fulfilling his promises to Kenyans. The Trans Nzoia governor expressed concerns over Ruto's constant travels across the country, raising questions on whether he gets time to work on policy implementations. He also cited the president's promise made during his tour of Nairobi, where he pledged to purchase a machine capable of making 1 million chapatis for students in the country. Natembeya condemned the initiative as misplaced priority, urging the president to focus on creating sustainable employment opportunities for the youths instead. The governor's comments sparked mixed reactions among Kenyans online, which some backing his position and agreeing with him, while others expressed support for the president's national engagement. So, Governor for Trans Nzoia, or the man behind the police regalia, or the gentleman who often refers to himself as a commando, Mr. Natembeya. He has said that he is not going to take any blow or to take any chances to allow President William Ruto to come and run this country. He today on an interview in Sulu FM, we all know Sulu FM, it's a vernacular radio station that operates in Luya language. He went hard on President William Ruto, and he has said and he has reaffirmed his position, and he has said once again that I will not allow President Ruto to destroy this country on my watch. So, my guys, do you think Natembeya will be impeached? We all know President William Ruto does not take criticism that easy or that simple. He will go after Natembeya. I can assure you for that. I am sure. Utaanza kuona impeachment motions zinatembea Trans Nzoia kama kitu ingine bwana. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment on the comment section, share, like our videos, and don't forget to hit the subscription button. This is FM Show.